Looking for reliable, high-quality lab equipment without the hefty price tag? Meet the Heidoph Unimax 1010DT, a refurbished orbital agitator that delivers precision, durability and efficiency at a fraction of the cost. Designed for uniform mixing, it features a smooth 25mm orbital motion and adjustable speeds from 20 to 250 RPM, giving you complete control over your samples. Its stainless steel construction is not only robust, but also coated with a chemical-resistant finish to withstand demanding lab environments. With built-in overload and temperature protection, your experiments stay safe and efficient. Plus, it runs on an energy-saving 220-volt system, keeping your operations cost-effective. At just 60 by 40 by 45 centimeters, this compact unit fits seamlessly into any lab space. And thanks to its user-friendly control panel, fine-tuning your settings is quick and hassle-free. Every unit is rigorously reviewed, reconditioned, and recalibrated by our Galileo scientific specialists, so you can trust its accuracy and performance from day one. Upgrade your lab with confidence. The Heidoph Unimax 1010DT is ready to deliver precision mixing without compromise. Contact Galileo Scientific today.